Back to the days of Christopher Robin and Bo.
Alam mo, ang pinakamalakas na buzz ngayon ay hindi na lang daw kayo love team. Totoo na.
Winnie the Pooh doesn't know what to do. Got a honey jar stuck on his nose.
Yung actually, yung situation namin ngayon ni Wawi,
Okay.
it's more than just friends, you know. We're like two people na enjoy each other's company, but we don't want to go into something serious na hindi pa talaga kami sigurado. Kasi ang hirap eh.
Hindi, ano lang, talagang nag-enjoy lang kaming dalawa
Hindi
sa company.
officially on.
But you said that you are more than friends.
Yeah.
You're more than friends. In what way? Napakahirap kasi nun i-define hanggat hindi nyo sasabihin kung paano. People have seen you together.
Yeah.
Yung mga rock climbing, nagsha-shopping sa Glorieta, nagsisimba sa Baklaran. Anong ibig sabihin nito?
Wala lang.
Is this what you mean by more than being friends?
Siguro yun.
Siguro kasi, no, we like each other's company, you know. We enjoy.
Nagkakapareho yung gusto namin kasi.
Talaga? Will this eventually lead into something?
Sana.
Ay, how nice. Sana.
Sana. O, kung nasa
Something
magutas,
serious.
sana.
Ikaw, Wawi.
Sana nga. Hindi na sana eh.
It's been a long day. What a day.
Day by day.
You know what? I won't last a day without you.
Ito na po kasi talaga ito mga kaibigan. Alam mo,